Hey, this is Bray with Pontoon Deck Boat Magazine. Welcome to another edition of Pontoon TV. Today we're out on the brand new Barletta Corsa 23 QSS. I gotta tell you, it's a lot different than their midline boat that they've had in the past. Let's take a closer look. Now we love the look of this sporty helm console. It all starts with these big multi-function gauges in the center, 2 rows of push buttons, and then over here you have your Simrad touchscreen, a lot of key information right at your fingertips, your Hertz sound system, and there's not only a place for your phone, but it's wireless charging, so it keeps you charged all day long. Plenty of comfortable seats on this boat, including a very nice helm chair. Directly across, you gotta love the versatility. A nice comfortable seat for the first mate. It also converts into a rear-facing lounger. Now we love the look of this tower. It's just a nice setup. It really ties in that sporty look that they're going for with this Corsa. Now back here in the stern, we have a great swim deck. Includes an easy to use boarding ladder, this ski tow cage. Of course, this is where that big Mercury 250 is. When you put that together with this Barletta hull, man, she's fun to drive. And of course, up here in the bow, great seating area as well. There's even recessed cup holders, a couple USB ports, and check out these speaker covers. Are those pretty cool? We really enjoyed testing this new Corsa. I think this midline boat, it's going to do very well for Barletta. For other videos, check back to pdbmagazine.com. Thanks for watching.